Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about what did you do? Conversation. Basically, this conversation video is between two persons, S1 first person and S2 second person. Means here S1 represent first person and S2 represent second person. So without wasting our time, let's start the topic. Before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह साफ. Conversation A. First person, where did you go after lunch? Second person is replying, I went to the public library. First person is asking question again. Which one did you go to? Second person replied, I went to the one at 42nd stair. Here we don't read this 42. Here we read 40. Conversation B. First person is asking question. What did you do last night? Second person is replying, I watched television. Again, first person is asking question. Where did you watch it? Second person is replying, I watched it here in the recreation room. Conversation C. First person is asking question. Was that television program interesting? Second person is replying, I thought it was very boring. Second person is telling to first person that he thought it was very boring. First person is asking question. What did your friends think of it? Second person is replying, they were bored too. Conversation D. First person is speaking here. I went to a lecture last night. Second person, what was it about? First person is telling answer to that question. Society and modern art. Second person, I wish I did gone with you. Conversation E. First person, we went to the movies the night before last. Second person, what did you see? First person, we saw a film about cowboys and Indians. First person is second person, don't you even get tired of those westerns? Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. So take care of yourself and bye-bye.